Hey Joey, did you TiVo Big Time Rush? Joey, I want to watch Big Time Rush. Did you TiVo it? Joey, I didn't feel like having to walk all the way in here. Joey, what in the world are you doing?
Turn me on, take it off, take it off, everybody take it off. There's a place I know you're looking for a show where they go hardcore and there's glitter on the floor. Turn me on, take it off, everybody take it off.
Okay. Joey?
A little bit of privacy here.
Oh, okay, sorry. For the love of God, Joey, where are you?
Here I am.